restless heart. You lead us by still waters into mercy.
Something exciting is coming to our church soon.
That's right, Catherine. Something exciting is happening this month. Our church is just a few Sundays away from stepping into a beautifully renovated worship space. Every corner of the sanctuary and life group rooms has been lovingly updated with modern touches that highlight our church's timeless character and deep commitment to our ministries and missions. This long-awaited project is finally becoming a reality, with comfortable individual seating, a welcoming fellowship center, and a refreshed sanctuary that will once again serve as a warm and inspiring place of worship, bringing our church family together in faith. Sanctuary dedication is scheduled for Sunday, November 23rd. We can't wait to see you there.